Good evening. Ay, good night. Kanina pala, hindi ko pala masaya. Good night. Ah. Sa tingin mo, basis pansarada yan. Pansarada yan. Generals can. Hi, salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Thank you. Yes. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Hi. Gagsok na. Salamat sa sabi na yan. Thank you sa sabi na yan. 6 million. Ano? Wala pa kayong sasabihin. Salamat. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you. Thank you sa mine. Mainit dito sa amin. Summer feels dito. It's about me. What's up? Where are you? Home. Jennifer Baldemas. I'm home. Outside the home. My home is front of me. Are you the basketball court in front? Yes. Front of our home is basketball court. Yes. The front of our home. Yes. Thank you. nanonood. Yes po. Nagdinig si Kim.
Kailan ba magwawakas itong pag-ibig? Bukas ay wala ka na sa aking isip. Pwede bang maging tapat sa mga pangako? Nagkakaya mo sila.
Salamat sa channel yan. Yan, thank you for the channel yan. Thank you so much. Arigato. Salamat sa nag-stay. So, thank you. Salamat. Laban lang.
Sometimes
Arigato.
someone's gonna hold me.
Thank you sa channel yan. Salamat. Ano talaga eh, silent viewer talaga. Silent talaga. Walang sasabihin, anything. Manonood lang, ganon. Hussein, Mama Dove, you love? You love? Hi Hussein, Mama Dove, where are you from? Hussein. Where are you from? I remember you. Parang ano ka na. I think you joined me before. I joined the live. Hey. Hey. Hussein. Mama Dove. Where are you from?
I saw you.
Husayin mo. Husayin mo. Husayin. Baby. Baby. Who's baby? Ay, nako. Umayos ka, Husayin. Huwag mong Husayin. Where are you from, Husayin? Hindi, nako. Husayin. Ano naman pinag... Ay, nako. Dan, you baby. Why you call me baby? Look, it's not it's not good to see stranger you call baby. It's not it's not good. Uh, that's not good, ano? Hi, Greg. Okay, I won't call you. Thank you, Dan. Where are you from, Dan? Hi, Greg. Thank you for, thank you again, always. Why? I just want to know, Dan. I just want to know where are you from? Who are you? Like that. London. Ah, wow. How old are you then? Plumber. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Greg. Oh, 43. Wow. That's nice. Are you married, maybe? Have a family? Happy family? Having a kids? Beautiful. Beautiful family, ganyan, like that. No? No? Weh. Why no? Why no? Asa ka dire? Asa ka dire? I have daughter. She's my world. Ah, that's nice. That's good. A single parent, single dad. What is your name? Hussein, Mama Dove. My name is Cheryl. Cheryl po. My name is Cheryl. Where are you from, Hussein, Mama Dove? Sabay na. Oh. What? I only say baby because you are very hot single parent. Okay. But ano eh. Single. Okay. I understand you then. You then. Sorry. Should I not flirt? Thank you, Dan.
'Cause I'm dreaming with you tonight.
It's only harmless flirting. Harmless. Harmless. Harmless time.
It's tonight. 'Cause I'm dreaming with you tonight. Till tonight. 'Cause I'm having time. There's no way. Dreaming about you and me. Doesn't dream.
Hi everyone. Very nice. Very nice. What do you mean the very nice? Very nice of ano of being what? Sing. Cheryl. Cheryl Yuham. Nice voice, huh? Thank you, Dan. Dan. What? Maybe your full name Dan is Danilo, Danny, like that. Am I right? It's Dan. Dan from London. Hussein, Mamada, where are you from? Say that again. What should I say it? What should I say it again? I'm plumber. Okay. Plumber. Not plunder.
So some dream.
Why you here, Dan? Live on a boat. Why you here on YouTube? Are you finding someone here or someone? What? Love the outdoors nature. Mm. Love the outdoors nature. You find here on YouTube, no, you find no, just new to technology. Ah, okay. You are so cute. Thank you, Hosean. Hosean, where are you from? Just new to new technology. Are you searching for for uh, then for new technology like that? Then you came here on my lives here on YouTube. That's why I wonder if you I would love to come to the Philippines. Okay, you can visit me here in Bicol, Charot. Here in Bicol, some place, the nature, outdoor nature. Can I come see you? Sure, why not? Just for friends. I have friends here. A lot. A lot talaga. A lot, but few are true. Yeah, that would be cool. Yes. How old your daughter now? Can you sing Whitney Houston? Oh, I don't know how to sing that. 18. Oh, it's a lady. She's 18 now. You joined me my live before. I remember you done. Yes, you do. I could bring my daughter. Wow, yes, I will meet your daughter. Wow. Oh, nice to meet you, Dawn. Maybe your daughter is so beautiful. I think. I imagine now. Maybe your daughter, bigger than me, taller than me, bigger than me. She's beautiful. Ah, wow, sana all beautiful. She's mixed race. Mixed race. What it means? As I might. Ah, okay. What? What? She's short. Ah, okay. What the height? What is the height? Still short. She's black and white. Ah, okay. Your ex is white or you are black? She's black and what do you mean black and white? 5'5". Oh, 5'5" is still tall. Me, I'm shorter than here. She's tall, 5'5". Still tall. 5'5" here considered tall. How short are you? 5'1". 5'1". Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, alright. Thank you so 3 million. Okay. Yeah. 5'1" little. Yeah. 5'1" little. You're so pretty. No, I'm not pretty. Here, I'm not pretty. Maybe just on the camera. The camera trick. The camera have a magic. Aray, kuko. What you mean? Cause you are. Maybe just the camera. I look pretty, but in real, I'm not pretty. I'm, 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 I'm not. What time is it there? Oh wait, no. What time here? 10:40. 10:40 p.m. at night. You're funny. Yeah. How old are you? 14. I'm 40 years old. 40. I'm 40. If he was with me in the evening, what do you mean, Hussein Ramadan? Do you mean you look young? Really? Thank you. Thank you. Have you got partner? Partner? Partner for what? Or are you single? I don't know. Or am I single? Single the motor. The me like a motor. Single. Single. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat po. Or if you are single, I would like to take you out for meal. Sinas... We. Me. You tired? Night here. Night here. When I come there. When you come here. God. What? Sinasabi mo. That's not, ano. A love. Sinasabi nito. Like, you like? Why? Why you asking like that then? Cause I'm just... Just asking. Any people deserve to be, like just uh, if kind like that. If you have a big heart, you deserve to be, you deserve to be, to be loved. Charot. Like that. Maybe it depends the people. It depends the people, it depends the situation, it depends the person. Anyway, I'm going to end up saying something. Shut up. Take care, you little cutie. Take care. God bless. Take care too. And God bless. Anyway, I'm going to do. I don't understand what are you saying, Don. I don't understand. What do you mean? Bye bye. Bye, Sayan. Thank you for joining my live here on YouTube. Take care. Have a nice evening. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dan. Bye, Hussein. Bye bye. Take care. You're beautiful. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Dan. I feel sleepy now. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining my live here. Bye-bye. God bless you all. See you. Have a nice sleep. You look tired. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys. See you next live. Bye.